Radio, we're going into Holland.
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam, yeah, we're in Holland.
Yeah.
And we found out it is King's Day, which we had no idea what King's Day was. But anyway, so it's King's Day and we're going into Holland. It sounds like there's a mega party going on in Amsterdam. So hopefully we'll get a few crazy pictures of the crazy Dutch people going crazy.
What we've done is we've bought 72-hour metro tickets so we can go anywhere on any transport for 3 days in Amsterdam.
And how much did that cost us, Susie?
It was €21 each and we got it from the campsite reception.
Which is blooming good, isn't it?
Yeah, you can buy them from the train stations and anywhere, but we thought we'd just get it there. Then we know we've got them. You just tap in, tap out with these tickets.
A bit like the Oyster cards in London.
Yeah, I'll show you one if you want to see one. There's a 72-hour ticket, and it's just on the other side. Okay.
Cool.
You can get different. You can get 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, or I think there's a 5 day or a week or something.
Yeah. We're going to. We had a little walk last night to the metro station to find out where that was, and yeah, it's only just literally up the road.
It's 5 minutes from the campsite.
Yeah. So we'll set you on. We'll put you back on again when we get into Amsterdam-y thing.
Yes.
We are going to the Anne Frank Museum today, aren't we?
Yes, 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Right, cool. So see you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.
Well, you can honestly say this is quintessentially Holland, isn't it?
Bikes everywhere.
Bikes everywhere. Oh, I say Holland, it's Amsterdam, isn't it? So yeah, barges.
Yesterday was the King's birthday and they had lots of celebrations, so there's a little bit of detritus around.
A little bit? Wow. Yeah. I was doing the bike there, look.
Yeah. To be fair, we've been to Edinburgh at New Year and this is sort of on a par with clean up after Edinburgh.
It is a bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is where we're going next, which is the Anne Frank building. But as per normal, we're a little bit early. I don't know where to go.
Alright then. Well, let's just go over there and not walk far.
Yeah, well, walk down this way and go over.
Yeah.
It's incredibly windy today. No, I don't. I'm going to put the microphone on. Yeah. Little car. Just go and stand next to the little car, Sue. Now you can see how big and tall that car is. That's ideal, that, isn't it?
It's tiny, yeah. It's a Sue-sized car. Mind you, the seat is a long way away from the pedals.
Yeah,
so I probably won't be able to drive it.
Yeah. We're going to have a look in the shop?
Yeah.
Healthy. All sorts of wonderful fare.
Yeah.
Cottage cheese, dumplings. Oh well, there you go. So yeah, they had this wild party yesterday because it was the King's whatever it is birthday, and my God, the place looks like a bomb's it.
The King's birthday or the King's birthday celebration.
Could be, yeah, whatever.
Anyway.
But there is rubbish everywhere, isn't there? Yeah, in the car coming. Yeah. Very blue.
I've never seen anything like that.
No.
Cats.
Yeah. Yeah, very weird. Isn't it? All the little streets. Loads and loads of push bikes everywhere. How the hell do you find your own push bike? I have no idea. I suppose you just pick one and take it. Do you think?
I think most people know where they've left them.
Yeah. I can't even find a flaming car. Oh, coffee. It's all the different coffees, look. So.
Yes, I just looked at the sign. I did see them.
All right, okay. Okay. It's amazing that people actually stop for the traffic lights. I mean, most cyclists, especially in the UK, they don't stop, do they?
No.
They just go through red lights and...
They do have bikes on it as well.
They have what?
They have pictures of bikes on it.
Yes, they do.
It's nearly 1:15, so we've still got another 3/4 of an hour.
Right, okay. Well, let's just have a walk round here then.
Yeah. He must have gone for a drink.
He must have done, yeah. Yeah, I think this is where some of the party was, like yesterday. I think they're starting to do the clean up now, aren't they?
Starting tomorrow. So.
Do the clean up?
Yes.
Let's go through this way. You can see there's bottles and rubbish everywhere.
Amsterdam's smallest cheese store.
Oh, let's go and have a look then.
Might be class.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like they had a right old good time. I suppose we ought to end it up with a
Oh yeah, we're going to have
one
to,
of those.
aren't we?
Yeah.
And some waffles.
Yeah.
Free cheese tasting.
Ooh. Yeah. It really did have a party here. Right, just move that out of the way. It's pointing up. Yeah. As you can see, crazy, crazy, crazy. Have a look at the boats. Yeah. Yeah, I think they've got a fair bit of tidying up work to do. That's a Homomonument.
It is a Homomonument.
Oh, one of the Dutch toilets, look. There you go. So I'm not stood on the water, am I? There's lots of these seeds off the trees here.
Yeah. The wind is blowing the right hoolie. It's blowing all the blossom off.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, yeah, that'll do for the time being, and we'll put you back on again when we've got more to see.